See, prism ABC. ABC is the prism, BC is the base of the prism, A is the angle of prism. Incident ray, monochromatic ray. This is refracted ray. ABC is the prism, DE is the incident ray, EF is the refracted ray, FG is the emergent ray. You extend this undeviated ray. This is the angle of minimum deviation. You take the normal N1 and N2, N1 and N2, two normals. I is the angle of incidence, N2, E is the angle of emergent. Then here is the delta M. Okay, you name ABC prism, D is incident ray, EF refracted ray, FG is emergent ray. You give name H. Here is the name H. You give this name K. So here, look at here. R1 is the angle of refraction. Okay. So use apply Snell's law. In this case, here is the incident point. Apply Snell's law. As per Snell's law, sin I by sin R1 equal to mu2 by mu1. As per Snell's law, sin I by sin R1. I is the angle of incidence. R1 is the angle of refraction. Sin I by sin R1 equal to mu2 by mu1. Refractive index of second medium by refractive index of first medium. Mu2 is the glass medium prism. So let us take mu2 equal to mu. Mu1 is air medium. So 1. If I and R1 is small, sin I equal to I, sin R1 equal to R1. For small angle, I by R1 equal to mu. Equation 1. Come to point F. Another incident. EF is the incident believed as incident ray. The refracted ray is believed as incident ray. S is the incident phase. So at F, again we have to apply Snell's law. Sin this angle is R2. Sin R2 by this angle is E. Sin E mu2 by mu1. Second medium is air medium, first medium is glass medium. So sin R2 by sin E equal to mu2 is your what? Second medium, air medium 1, first medium, this is mu2 by mu1. Second medium, air medium 1, first medium mu1, glass medium mu. Apply Snell's law at point F. Sin R2, angle of incidence is R2, angle of emergent E. So sin R2 by sin E equal to mu2 by mu1. Second medium by first medium. Second medium is air, so I am writing 1. First medium is mu1, I am writing mu. For small angle, R2 by E equal to 1 by mu. Sin R2 equal to R2, sin E equal to E, so R2 by E equal to 1 by mu. So take the reciprocal. E by R2 equal to mu. Equation 2. Sin R2 equal to R2 for small angle, sin E equal to E for small angle. So R2 by E equal to 1 by mu, E by R2 equal to mu. You get equation 1 and 2. From previous derivation, delta equal to I plus E minus R1 plus R2. In the previous derivation, delta equal to I plus E minus R1 plus R2. So in place of I, use equation 1, I equal to mu R1. In equation 1, I by R1 equal to mu, so I equal to mu R1. In equation 2, E by R2 equal to mu, so E equal to mu R2. minus r1 plus r2. Okay, take the common mu, r1 plus r2 minus r1 plus r2. Okay, equation number 3. Look at here. I equal to mu r1 from 1. E equal to mu r2 from 2. Take the common mu, r1 plus r2 minus r1 plus r2. So again, from the previous derivation, r1 plus r2 is a. Since r1 plus r2 equal to a, so apply mu into a minus a. Take the common mu minus 1, mu minus 1 a. Look at here, mu r1 plus mu r2 minus r1 plus r2, mu here mu a minus a equal to delta. So mu minus 1, stop. So delta equal to mu minus 1 into a. When angle of regime is small, a is less than equal to 10 degree, then delta angle of deviation is equal to mu minus 1 into a.